So this is our new Gen 5 Pro range equipment. This is a micro link, and for a link it's a micro PCP. For a single radio it's just a micro. These are the serial numbers of the radio. So this is a quick unboxing video for you. So inside the box you'll have two radios. So there's one inside there and there's one here. And then you have this inner box. And again, that's got its serial number label on the front. And when I open this, inside you'll find there's an instruction booklet. You'll find there's the micro radio, and you'll also have the PoE injector, which is a high quality surge protected PoE injector. And then you have your bracket box, where you have your 3-axis mounting bracket with all your nuts and bolts, and the nuts and bolts and the connector bag all inside. So everything is here to create a simple point-to-point link. Now if you're running a multi-point, then you could buy these as singles. So that would just be the Sil Micro Parquet.